guys, Jacob here. We're gonna take apart the Zodiac Ranger and we are going to show you how to fix all the interchangeable parts. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. So Zodiac Ranger is the above ground pool cleaner, one of the above ground pool cleaners for Zodiac Pool Systems, Barracuda line. All right, let's go ahead. So right first, we're gonna take off the disc. And the easy part, if you just pull on it, the foot pad is probably gonna come with it, but let's see. Yep, there you go, see? So that's kind of like a twofer. So this is the foot pad. So as you can see here, it's got like tread on it, kind of like a tire, you know? So when these treads get down low, where it almost flans out in between, it's time to replace this guy with a new one. And then this thing is just gonna get all shredded. So you see where it's got its slotted holes? They're actually gonna start cutting, and that's when it's time to replace this disc. So first things first, what you want to do is the foot pad, you want to start, it's got like a little indentation here, so it's like, you kind of have to stretch the whole thing around here, but you see this little part right here, that's where you want to kind of start. And if this thing's under warranty by chance, your serial number and your model number, it's all right here. So where Zodiac's going to ask you for all that stuff, or a service authorized warranty station is going to ask you for all this information, and they can look you up if you submitted your warranty card to them. So let's go ahead and dive on in. So first we want to slide on that part. This is kind of a pain in the butt sometimes, so you just want to slide it on, just kind of groove and pull and do what you can to put the rest of it on there. So bear with me. Maybe our video has some really cool fast forwarding software that we can there we go. All right, we're on. So now, putting on a new disc, they put top. So you're looking at the top, and that's how you're gonna install this thing again. So all you're gonna do is stretch the disc around the foot pad. So make sure you don't rip that foot pad off again, because as you saw, it's kind of frustrating sometimes to put that foot pad back on. So stretch around there. And this thing spins freely, so I don't feel like you have to have like a certain spot in front or anything like that, because it's going to spin around your pool as well. So that is how you replace the disc in the foot pad. Let's go ahead and dive into the diaphragm. So as you see here on the extension pipe, this thing spins freely, and it's going to spin freely because that's how it kind of maneuvers around your pool. So what you want to do is loosen up this joint right here. The whole thing comes out. So then after that, this part loosens up. Now you have your inner extension pipe, just kind of push. Maybe pull a little bit. These ones are a little fragile. They're not like the G3 cleaners. They're not built as strong as the G3s or the T5 diaphragms. So be very careful with these when you're putting it back together. But ultimately, the easiest part to do it, you just kind of pull it right off the extension pipe, and that's it. You can pop this thing off, replace it, put a new one on there. Put everything back the way you got it. So this one I like to push on this side while pulling on here so you don't rip the diaphragm. You rip the diaphragm, that sucks to be you. So then everything just spins back together. This guy goes back in here. We just rebuilt our Zodiac Ranger. I'm Jacob with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.